Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting now? Lay the Apple Watch face down on a soft cloth so you don't scratch it. Locate the two small pill-shaped release buttons at the top and bottom of the case. These are the only controls to free the band. Press and hold one release button while you slide the linked band piece horizontally out. Use steady pressure and keep your finger on the button so the latch stays disengaged. Repeat with the other side. This ensures the band detaches cleanly without forcing it. Now you remove the first half. Press and hold the release button firmly until you feel it depress. This disengages the internal latch. While holding the button, push the band piece horizontally away from the watch case. Don't twist or angle it because the rails must stay aligned to clear the slot. Once it slides out, set it aside. Repeat the exact motion on the opposite side. Doing one consistent, parallel motion prevents bending the band rails and protects. Finish by aligning the replacement or original band rail with the slot and sliding it straight in until you hear a distinct click. That means the latch engaged. Once done, tug gently to confirm it's secure. If the band won't slide or won't lock, inspect the slot for lint or grit and clean gently. Sometimes tiny debris blocks the rail. If the release button sticks, power the watch off and retry. If problems persist, seek Apple support to avoid damaging the connectors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.